So now we have already seen how to plot our drawings from model space. In this video, we'll learn to plot it from the layout view or the paper space. So I'll move to this floor plan. And in this layout, we have all the objects arranged properly. Now, in order to plot only this layout, simply go to the layout tab, right click and select plot. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard equivalent Control P, or you can also select this plot icon. Now here also we have all the properties set for this layout, which we have already assigned while making this layout. And in order to plot it, simply you can click on OK. So before plotting, I'll click on preview to see a preview of this, and that's the preview here. So let's close it. Now click on OK and go to desktop, and let's give it a name. So let's name it as layout 2, and I'll click on save. So here we have it. The layout has been plotted. Now in a similar way, you can plot other layouts from this drawing. But in that case, you need to plot all of these layouts one by one. And that may be a very time consuming task if you have lots of different layouts here. So AutoCAD has a direct method of plotting multiple layouts directly using the publish option. So if you want to plot multiple sheets, you can use the publish tool. So in order to access the publish tool, go to this application button. Now select this print option and select this batch plot. Now we have this publish window here. Now we can make settings. The first setting is sheet list, which we don't have any. So I'll just keep it at none. Here we have the publish to, which I'll select as PDF. We want output as PDF file. Also, we have the quality preset, which we can change from here. So if you want high quality print, you can select here. You can also select the publish option. So I'll click on this publish options, and here you can specify the location where you want to save your drawing. So I'll keep it at desktop, and I'll not change any of these settings because we also want the fonts to be captured. We want the layer information on all these settings. Now click on OK. And here we have the drawings which will be plotted. So we have the model space which will be plotted, and also these three layouts. Also, they will be plotted with their default page setup. Now, in case you want to change page setup for any of them, you can simply click on this drop down and change their page setup. For example, here in this case, we have this our setup, which we have created in the previous video. You can change it to that, or you can keep its own page setup. For now, I'll select this our setup only for model space. For rest of the options, I'll keep it at their default value. Now simply click on publish option, specify the location, give it a name. So I'll name it as publish and click on select, and we don't want to save this list. So I'll click on no. So now AutoCAD will do this job in the background, and as long as this drawing is being published, you'll see this small animated icon here on the bottom of this status bar. So as long as the publishing job is happening, it will be visible like this. Okay, and here we have the bubble. So now the publishing job is complete. So I'll go to desktop, and here we have the publish file. So let's double click on it. And here we have it. So we have the model space as per our plot style, which we have set. And also we have the floor plan 1, the elevation and the detail according to our page setup. So in this way, you can plot multiple sheets along with the model space directly using the publish option of AutoCAD.